my name is Laura. Welcome back to my channel. As you'll see by the title, we are doing an unboxing day today. So it is for the box of Look Fantastic. It's for the month of May. I have been massively behind on my boxes for the last couple of months and I can only apologise. I was going to try and film them and update them, but I just figured, you know what, we'll just scrap them. Those months are done. Let's move forward positively with May. Just to prove a point, here is April's, and you'll see I haven't even opened it myself. I don't even know what's in this box. It smells really nice, whatever it is. So I thought, let's just start afresh with May and get back on track. Fantastic, a beautiful kind of coral. It's looking very orange on screen, but it's actually a very corally kind of coloured box, which is the Pantone colour of the year. I'll put some information down below about the box itself, but basically it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It's from the same people that run Glossybox. It's got a few options of payment. You can either you pay monthly, and you basically what you pay depends on how much you lock yourself into it. So if you lock yourself in for a year, your payments are reduced. If you lock yourself into 6 months, then obviously you pay for 6 months but at a slightly higher rate, and so on. But obviously I locked in for a year. I believe I pay £13. I want to say £13.75. I will clarify that, and again I'll put that down below for you. But as I said, the options are available. I'll also put like a referral link down below. I think I get a few credits or something on my account and you get some kind of discount, maybe 10%. Again, I'll clarify that down below for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box then. So you will always get an Elle magazine in this box, as you can see here, and you get a little information booklet which will tell you what's inside your box and the value of it. It also gives you a sneak peek of the next month's sort of guaranteed that everybody will get. Now, I do find we Look Fantastic, they do tend to be pretty much standard. Everybody will tend to get the same. When you have like a glossy box, there are variations of the box. So I might get variation 1, whereas you might get variation 6. So there will be slight differences in those boxes. However, the Look Fantastic seem to be pretty standard. So I don't know what the sneak peek for this month is, because as I already mentioned, I haven't even looked at my April box. But I can tell you what the sneak peek for June is. God, I can't believe we're in May. Where's this year going? So, sneak peek for June is we can exclusively reveal that all subscribers will receive the BioEffect EGF serum worth £25. This unique serum is a groundbreaking anti-aging treatment that delivers significant and notable results. And it's going to be an around the world edition. So yeah, that's that. So that's guaranteed next month in the box of June. So as I said, we all always get a Elle magazine. This one here, which has a value of, I want to say £4.50. Yeah, £4.50. So that's always handy. And then you have the box, which is sealed like this. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. You tend to get about 5 products in the box. So this is what we've got. It's got your little fluffy worm things here, and then you've got your tissue paper. So let's go ahead and look at item number 1. So this is the Skin Chemist London Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. Okay, so these are from Skin Chemist. As I've said, they're Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. They're worth £6.99. You hydrate and refresh delicate skin under your eyes with the Hydrogel Eye Pads, enriched with ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid and powerful antioxidants. They work to lift, tone and brighten under eyes for a wide awake finish. Perfect for tired eyes or for treating fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's just 1 pack of 2 in there. So a set. Okay, so the second item we've got is this Invigo Nutri-Rich Deep Nourishing Mask. So I assume this is by Wella. So I assume this is a hair mask. Yeah, going by the pictures on the back, it's a hair mask. It's a deep nourishing hair mask. So let's see what this is in the book. So this is worth £2.78. Breathe life into dry and damaged locks with this ultra nourishing formula that gives hair a new lease of life. Enriched with the Nutri-Enriched Blend Complex, this deep conditioning mask contains vitamin E to hydrate each individual strand. So yeah, suitable for all hair types. So that's a sample size of 30 ml. So the next item that I see is this. What is this? A lip pencil crayon by the brand Mellow. It looks like a really lovely neutral colour in the shade Aria. So I assume everybody gets this shade. Yeah, it says there. Aria. So I assume everybody gets the same shade. It just says define your lips with this soft and natural nude gel lip pencil with a formula that glides effortlessly onto lips. This long wearing lip liner delivers a rich matte finish. And this is worth £10.50. It's a nice colour actually. Let me see if I can get it to yeah, so let's see what it looks like. That's nice. Nice, neutral. Yeah, give that a try. Okay, so the next product is this Mine Tan Everyday Glow Invisible Colour. It's a gradual tan colour extender. Okay, and that is £5.99. It's a 3-in-1 gradual lotion. Gives skin a gorgeous glow with this gradual tanning lotion, a gentle and non-sticky formula. This lotion builds up natural looking glowing colour, rich in natural derived tanning agents, multivitamins and aloe vera. This self-tan moisturises, extends the length of tan and soothes dry skin. If you have paler skin or are a fake tan novice, mix this with your daily moisturiser for a subtle glow. It says apply to freshly cleansed skin, use sparingly around knuckles, knees, ankles and elbows. Yeah, it's not my kind of thing. I don't do fake tan and I don't really tend to like these kind of products. So I'll probably put this into a box to sort of go towards a giveaway or something. It's not for me, but you know, it's going to, you know, not everything in here is going to be for me, just like it's not going to be for everybody. That personally is not for me. Next product that we've got is this Polar. And I've had a couple of products from them, mainly the Rollerball Eye Gel, and I've had 2 of those and they're pretty good. This is Northern Light Soothing Cream with Siberian Olive. Just says Cream Lisante. Polar Northern Light Cream is worth £17.50. That size. Reveal a radiant and flawless complexion with Polar's Northern Light Soothing Cream. I don't know if I've shown you it, but it basically is this. Cream offers antioxidant properties, helping to protect the skin from the impact of pollution, combined with 100% natural polar berry extracts. Creamy formula boosts radiance, encourages the regeneration of cells. How to use it is apply it to clean skin after cleansing. Editor's tip is this cream is suitable as a day cream for normal to dry skin, but if your complexion is combination, we suggest using it as a nighttime cream. It's just a face cream at the end of the day. Okay, and so the last product that we have is this Avant product here. Now we've had Avant before. We had a night cream that was worth £98, I believe, for it was full size. So let's see what this one's all about. This is worth £89. It basically is, it says, apply the serum to damp skin after cleansing. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow serum to absorb before moisturising. Editor's tip, if you have oily skin, we'd suggest using this in lieu of a moisturiser. And it is basically a hyaluronic allergen retinol something 8-hour retexturizing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's sum that up. We've got the lip pencil, the eye pads, the face moisturizer, the hair mask, the gradual tan, and the Avant serum. So that's 6 products. I will tot up down below what it all came to, as I said. And yeah, pretty much it. What did you think of this box for this month? Was it good? I think it's quite a nice little mixture of stuff in there. The only thing I'm a bit iffy about is the gradual tan, but that's just not for me personally. So there you go, that's the box. Let me know down below what you think. Did you like it? Have you got the box? Did you get anything different? Do you think it's good value? As always, if you like this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? Please click subscribe, and as always, have a great day.